Welcome! In front of me I have ZTE Watch K1 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see brightness slider right here, and you can adjust the screen brightness by simply sliding on it. You can also do this through the settings. So if you go back to home screen, swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it, and here tap on screen. Oh, my bad, not this one, the screen, not watch face. Can I go back? Oh no, I need to open the settings again. So screen, not the watch face, and then tap on screen brightness. And you can adjust the brightness here, and then tap on confirm, and then you can press the side button to go back. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.